Here's how to install a harmonic damper. The first thing you're going to need is this install kit, which you can rent for free from your local auto parts store. Just grab the size you need for your crank, grab the 2 main bolts, and then of course we're going to need the thrust washer and the main nut. Go ahead and thread that assembly into your crankshaft. Put some assembly lube on the inside and outside of the dampener snout. Slide on your dampener, line up the keyways, and give it a little push. Now make sure to put some sort of lube on the threads of the assembly tool here. Next, slide on the thrust washer and the nut with the flat part of the thrust washer facing the damper. And all we're going to need here is a 10-inch crescent wrench. When you're doing this, you really don't need a lot of force. I'm using one hand and I'm really not putting a ton of force down. As you're turning this, just feel it. When it gets to the end, you'll feel it stop. And if you need to, hold the tool with another smaller crescent wrench and keep on going. Once you feel like you have to use a lot of force, you're done. Don't keep going, don't force it on there.